Namaste. I welcome you to Bhairavi Parekh's Yogshaala.
Everybody feet together. Raise your arms up. Right hand holding left wrist. Right hand holding left wrist and pull towards right side. Stay. Breathe. Back. Left hand holding right wrist. Hold and pull towards left side. Come back. 2 feet of distance. Right hand down. Raise your left hand up. And jitna ho sake utna. Keep pushing your right hand down and stretch. Look up. Back. Inhale. Exhale. Stretch. Back. Increase the distance. Feet parallel. Now, your left palm in the armpit. Right hand down. Go on lifting your left hand up. Look down towards your right hand. Keep going down. Lift your left elbow up. Stay. Change. Right palm in the armpit, left hand straight. Keep lifting your right elbow up. Look down towards your left hand. Back. Increase the distance. 3.5 to 4 feet of distance. Now, if those who feel the hamstrings are tight, you may use the block. Open your right foot out. Arms at the shoulder level. Extend, stretch, down. Right palm behind your foot or on the block. And extend your left hand over your head. Look up. Back. Right foot in, left foot out. Keep the leg straight. Stretch it out. Down. Left palm either on the floor or on the block and stretch your right hand over your head. And come back. My right knee is 90 degrees. Elbow on the thigh and stretch. Breathe. Change. Right foot in, left foot out. Ensure that your right leg is straight. Everybody left elbow on the thigh. Stretch. Back. Left foot in, right foot out. Right palm in front of your right knee. So your right knee and shoulder is touching. Stretch, look up. You can place the palm on the block also. Change. Right foot in, left foot out. Extend, stretch. Left palm in front of the left foot. Shoulder and knee are touching. Stretch your right hand over the head. And come back. Both the palms on the floor. Breathe.